Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel. Alright, so when you have data like this, everything works fine and looks okay, but the problem only begins when you try to scroll down like this. You realize that the heading and the title disappears as you scroll. It goes up and is hidden. When you also scroll to the right, you also realize that the serial number and then the names too also disappears like this. You realize that it disappears, and makes it very difficult for you to know what your data is talking about. For example, you might forgot what subject is it, or the particular name of student you are talking about and the serial number, and that it might not look good. Most of the times you want to keep them those information visible as you scroll. For example, you may want to keep the title and the heading visible as you scroll so that it doesn't disappear or get hidden. And so to do that, you freeze the panes so that when you scroll it doesn't disappear. Now, to freeze panes, we have this part, the title and the heading that occupies row 1 to row 5, and we also have the serial number and the names occupying column A and column B. To freeze this, or to let this stick when you scroll, is to go below the cell below the last row you want to freeze, and also go to the cell next to the last column you want to freeze. Now, if you go to the last column, cell next to the last column is this particular cell C6, and then the cell below the last row we want to freeze is also C6. So click on C6, then we move to the view tab, and on the Windows view you go to freeze panes, click on freeze panes, then there you go, you select freeze panes, and there you go. Now when you scroll to the right, you see the names and the serial number stick. It doesn't move, it has been freezed. And then when you scroll down, the title and the headings also stick. It doesn't also move, it got freezing. That is how we freeze panes or multiple rows and columns in Excel.